redline is now 8,600 RPMs.
Right into the traffic, baby.
Now, the mainstream media would like you to believe that the best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. However, I know that this is truly the best part of waking up. Man, that exhaust is loud. Just stock like this, I mean, it makes some noise. You don't believe me? Just ask my neighbors. All right, so we are heading to work right now, and we're gonna do some very special stuff and things today. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just missed that. I just missed it switching over. As you can see, the red line is now 8,600 RPMs. I can't believe I missed that, man. Oh, this is a totally different car at 501 miles, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, wow, I was not expecting that. You don't ever expect to hear that from a Corvette. Okay, take it easy now, buddy. This is worth every single cent. I mean, don't get me wrong, the Stingray is a good car. This is a great car. Wow. Well, I guess since it is officially broken in, that was very satisfying. And now we are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, so we are taking the man, the myth, the legend, the Kevin Bow from Driven Media.
Going on a ride, baby.
We're going on a little ride along in the Z. Gonna try to show him what the Corvette world has to offer and get him off of the dark side of Toyotas and
I'm scared my yellow shirt is gonna stain this white interior.
Looking like a bottle of mustard today.
Oh, baby. That doesn't sound like a Subaru.
That doesn't sound like a Subaru.
This thing is pretty nice.
Thanks,
Pretty
sir.
nice. I like this top.
I know, the white with the stitching is really growing on me.
That sounds so good. Oh man, you're gonna get in trouble in this thing.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Right into the traffic, baby. All right, now we're gonna race in my WRX.
Now we gotta do a Kevin and Rob. So are you getting a Corvette or?
Yeah, sold.
All right, so
Yeah,
sell all your cars
getting
and
the Z06, baby. It's on the way already.
yeah. Driven Media Z06.
Yes, company car, company
All right,
vehicle.
and where can they check out what is Driven Media?
Go to driven.media. That's all it is. Driven.media.
No .com. Or
Nope,
anything
no
like,
.com.
No
It's .media.
No
Nope.
.gov.
Nope,
Edu.
nothing
like
fancy.
that.
Just
Driven
.media. Exactly.
Right, perfect. And what do
Yep.
you do? What is Driven Media?
You know, a lot of different things. Carbon fiber, overlays, lighting, mostly Subaru and Toyota stuff. So if you have a Corvette, I'm sorry, you'll have to go to Paragon.
Awesome.
Well, thank you for the ride, man.
Absolutely, yeah. Thanks for
Maybe maybe I'll have to drive this thing sometime.
I think so. I think that's next.
We'll see. It for the 30 seconds we were in it, it was a riot, and cool. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And, no, this thing is gonna be cool, and I'm excited to see what you do with it.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Alrighty guys, we are now officially back home. I gotta get this thing put away for the night, but overall, really great day. Also, I gotta show the Civic some love because I haven't driven that in like, I guess almost a week now. I've only owned this car for a couple days now, but I mean, it is just a beast. And now as of today that it got broken in, I fully understand why people say this is such a different car from the Stingray. And as much as I love this, I guess the thing I wasn't prepared for was how many offers I was gonna get over the sticker price MSRP for people that want to buy this. Like, I've only had it a few days, you know, and especially after the break-in today, I just don't think I could ever sell it. I mean, being maybe in the future sometime, but being 24 right now, having this car and being able to make videos with it is truly, I just don't have the words to describe it. It's amazing, and getting to share these experiences with my friends like Kevin, you saw today in the video. He's a great guy. Like I said, go check out his stuff. I'll have it linked down in the description down below. Driven.media, he's got some great apparel and merchandise. I have a whole bunch up in my closet upstairs, actually. And if you're into that JDM world, or you just like good YouTube content, check out his YouTube channel as well. Great guy. But anyways, that is going to be a wrap on breaking the Z06 in and taking the man, the myth, the legend, Kevin Vo from Driven Media on a test ride in my Z06. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like down below, and while you're down there, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this video and what content you want to see next from me. As always, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell notification button so you never miss another upload from me again. As always, I'm Rob, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.